$20,000. Seller credit. Nestled in the timber section of the FireWise Certified and gated community of RidgeWater, Bates Homes has created a perfect environment to enjoy all 4 seasons in your climate-controlled home. This single-level model features an open floor plan, coffered ceilings in the ample living area, a covered deck, dining area, mudroom, large pantry and lots of storage space. The kitchen is tastefully finished with wood cabinetry, quartz countertops, farm sink and stainless steel appliances with an eating bar just waiting for your guests. The exterior is complementary to the Northwestern feel with a pleasing contrast of textures and color. Enjoy numerous wildlife viewing and birding opportunities to bring nature to you, either through the large windows or on the extensive trail system. Over 5 miles of private trails to hike.